Welcome everyone. Namaskara. I am Sri Lakshmi. I am from Bangalore. We will showcase sarees in for 2 to 3 minutes only. I'm waiting for more people to join. Okay. Radhe Siri, you might have already seen. It's mainly for Mysore crepe silk sarees. Alva, ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರಬಹುದು. Starting range from 60 GSM in the hididu, then 100 GSM, 120 GSM, right? We have all sort of sarees in our website, and we crossed almost 2,000 orders for all this semi silk and also majorly Mysore silk sarees, Mysore silk crepe silk sarees. So I will start showcasing the sarees one by one. Our first collection, idu neevu nodirbodu, we are going with Ashadam sale also, right? Radhe Sirialli Ashadam sale nadita ide, and it will last for next couple of weeks. August 3rd vargu irutte. Ee saree you might have seen Manjula Paritala won this saree, and she wore it like a Mahanati theme alli, right? You can check on my website, on Insta page also. This is, you can see the beautiful stripes in the border, red color baratte, super dark shade of red baratte, and this is yellow, okay? And this saree comes like this. All these are Mysore crepe silk, silk mark certified, 120 GSM. This is 120 GSM. GSM andre anta yaru kelbodu. GSM is nothing but gram per square meter, right? ಎಷ್ಟು thickness silk ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. When I say 120 GSM, square meter ಅಲ್ಲಿ 120 grams ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Yeah, this is how we calculate. So this is a beautiful saree. Entire saree plain ಬರುತ್ತೆ, but big border ಇರುತ್ತೆ. You can see this, right? This is the big border. So whoever all are joining, welcome. Please mention ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ ಸಿಟಿ ಇಂದ ನೀವು ಬಂದಿರೋದು. Please start ಯಾವ ಸಿಟಿಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ DMS. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫೈಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾರೀಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ DMS. ಅವರ್ ಟೀಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಯು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬ್ಲೌಸ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾ, ಸಿ, ಇದು ಬಂದು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ KSIC ತರನೇ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಥ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಯಾರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಪ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಲೈಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಪ್ಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಬ್ಲೌಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಲರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೇನ್, ಯು ಆಲ್ ನೋ KSIC ತರನೇ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಯಾರೀಸ್ ಬರೋದು. ದ ಮೇಜರ್ ಈ ಸ್ಯಾರೀಸ್ಗೆ you can design and you can embroidery, you can do as heavy design, then the saree gives entirely different look. Alva, that's how the beautiful Mysore silk sarees. Saree simple agirutte, simple plain, simple border, but blouse mele the more you design, and especially look at this color, right? Ee color ge neevu design ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ you can use it like multi-purpose also, and this saree ge kuda it will go really very very beautiful. So if you like it, please take a screenshot and send DMS. WhatsApp number ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. you already know. ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. and this is how the saree is. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫೈಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಾಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್, ವಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಪೋರ್ಟರ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೆಲಿವರ್ ಯು within 2 hours, right? So these are the things that we do. Silk mark certified, video call, and also within Bangalore idre 2 hours delivery. Okay, before, so if you like it, take a screenshot and let us know. Radhe Sirialli main we started showcasing, it's been almost 2 years ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. We started showcasing mainly on Mysore silk sarees only. Lightweight ಇರುತ್ತೆ. See, the reason why we started, I started Mysore silk is easy to wear. You can see the saree that I am draping also. This is 60 GSM. 60 GSM ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೈಟ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, see through ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪರೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಯಾರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ ದ ಡೇ. ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಈಸಿ ಟು ಡ್ರೇಪ್. I am not against any other sarees, but this is very comfortable for me, and I just wanted to start only Mysore silk sarees, right? Yeah, next saree is, today we have planned to showcase only yellow color sarees, right? Namatra iro yellow color sarees that we wanted to showcase. Next saree in our collection today is weft lines antare alva. So if you see this line very closely, throughout the saree lines ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, vertical lines, okay? And again plain ಅಲ್ದೇನೆ ಇದು ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದೀವಿ. and ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್, ಪರ್ಪಲ್ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. and it's a thick zari border. You can see the flower motifs ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ, zari border. So this is also similar yellow but different color, RGB change ಆಗಿದೆ. and this saree looks like this. Any simple occasion, manel festival ge, any birthdays, so this gives you different look altogether. And if I have to show you, yes, this is how the pallu. Look at the pallu, so beautiful pallu. The border alli ಏನು motifs ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದೇ ಫುಲ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಂಟೈರ್ pallu ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಪಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, the border and the pallu, right? And the blouse, as we all know, plain ಬರುತ್ತೆ, so that we can design as beautifully as possible. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು it goes really well. The way that I have designed is simple, ಒಂದು 1 inch border ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, but still it looks so elegant. But people who like to wear it for a grand occasion, you can have it up designer blouses, right? So we also provide you blouse stitching. You can see on the page ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ DMS we clearly provide you. And also ready to wear ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ, we need immediately ಅಂದರೆ we do pico falls, ಸ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಥ್ರೆಡಿಂಗ್, ಹೆಡ್ಜಿಂಗ್ we do it. And also kuchu, and also pre-draping, right? You just pick it up and drape it and you can go to. If you're in Bangalore, 2 hours delivery irutte. We will deliver in Porter. I think whoever is in Bangalore, you are aware of all this. Porter service is that 2 hours ali you will see this saree at your doorstep, right? And if you want to see once again this saree, you can DMS. We will provide you the video consultation. Similarly, how the saree looks live, because these are pure Mysore silk sarees, silk mark certified, and you like to feel and everything, but that may not possible. But we provide you video call, right? Consultation ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಯಾರಿನ ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ then only you can order, right? And we are running Ashadam offer. Take a picture and you can send us DMS or WhatsApp ಮಾಡಿ. WhatsApp number already ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, so you can always reach out to us. Okay. Our next saree is Off and Up saree. Again, this is also comes in heavy designer brocade. This is how the saree looks. See how beautifully. And as I was saying, all saree comes with silk mark certified. Okay. And this saree, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ಸ್ಯಾರಿದು ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಯಾರಿ will full come as a brocade. You can see the design and the thick border. So in all the sarees that we have is like a copper and silver blended, right? Unlike gold, we always have only silver and copper blended. That's why you have this much price for the sarees. And this also comes in 120 GSM. This is how the saree looks. ಇದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹಾಕೋಬಹುದು, then the bottom is brocade. And the pallu of the saree is, this is how it is. See how beautiful it is. pallu kuda thick ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ with zari border throughout the saree, and blouse is this. Blouse again, as you all know, my silk sarees ge plain barutte, only border remains throughout the saree same. ಈ ಬ್ಲೌಸ್ಗೂ ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೂ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಹೆವಿ ಡಿಸೈನ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾರಿ ಗೋಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ವೆಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಹೌ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ 2 hours ಡೆಲಿವರಿ, ಫೋಟೋ ಸರ್ವಿಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. And if you are outside, we will be able to deliver you within 3 to 5 days. Standard delivery irutte. Right, across India we will deliver. And if you still like to see once again these sarees, you can book video consultation. Since these are pure Mysore silk sarees, we encourage you to have a video call once again, or like one-on-one irutte. You can see how it looks, the entire saree, and then you can purchase before placing an order. Yeah. All right. So right now we are also running Ashadam sale. Right, Ashadam sale is going on. Buy one saree, it is 5% off. Buy 2 sarees, we are giving 15% off. And buy 3 sarees, 20%, and off. Buy 4, 25%. This is first time we are doing in Radhe Siri. Please, whatever sarees that we are showcasing, we have like only one saree in each design, right? Innonsala barutte anta we cannot guarantee. So grab yours, and this this offer matte barte irbodu. So grab it for, we have like a list of festivals back to back, you know, right? Varamahalakshmi inda hididu Deepavali varagu ide, and please take this opportunity to fill your wardrobe. Yeah, next saree, this one, I think this is our best seller in Radhe Siri. I would say we sold literally 2 times or 3 times of sets, almost 50 sarees in this, right? So this is like 3 border, yellow varate, and purple, and also green. So 3D colors only, 3 colors. And this is again 120 GSM, very soft saree. All of these sarees are very soft because crepe weaving irata, Mysore silk sarees, and easy to drape. You don't have to really take somebody's help to drape. It is always easy. And for this saree, the pallu is this beautiful. Yeah, you see it's the same KSIC tara, Mysore silk sarees tara barutte idu. Purple, simple lines, and the blouse also purple, plain as you see. Again, if you want to drape it simple and look elegant, you can go with the simple blouse design. Illa designer blouse beku andru, you can have it very heavy blouse. Since it is a plain bandirodukke, you can have it as you need, as per your requirement, right? So again, we have, if you are in Bangalore, we have 2 hours delivery. Immediately you will get it. Porter service alli ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. And all these sarees are silk mark certified, okay? And if you want to see the saree once again, please DM us or WhatsApp us. We will have a one-on-one consultation, video consultation ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. You can see the saree, how it looks on you. We will showcase the pallu, every detailed again. Then you can purchase once you are happy with that. Right, so currently we are having Ashadam sale, right? Buy 1 saree, 5%, buy 2 sarees, 15%, buy 3 sarees, 20%, and buy 4 sarees, 25%. Every saree is like unique pieces available, and please grab this opportunity before it goes. Yeah, and today we like to showcase the final one that we have. So today we planned in such a way that yellow theme irli anta, that was intent to showcase all our yellow sarees. We have like variety of pieces. Every Saturday we will come and showcase a set of sarees. Today it's more of yellow, right? And this is our last piece. This is how it looks. Same Mysore crepe silk saree, 120 GSM, and thick zari border. But this time the zari comes in like a coffee brown. You can see the coffee brown, and look at the motifs throughout. The leaf motifs bandide throughout the border, right? And heavy irutte because zari weaving is very closer. So this one, and this is how it looks, the full saree. The pallu bandu, yeah, this is how the pallu looks. You see, right? Heavy pallu, saree full border lalli enideyo ade bandide, matte madhyalli 2 lines and again the leaf motifs. The blouse is, as you all know, plain with the same zari border. You can go with the plain blouse also, heavy designer work on that. At Radhesiri we also provide blouse stitching and pico edging ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ and pre-draping also. If you are in Bangalore, we will deliver within 2 hours at your doorstep. If you are anywhere from India, as per the standard delivery, we will get you in 3 to 5 days. And if you still like to see the saree, we also have a one-to-one video consultation. You can go through saree detail and ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Then only if you like it, then you can place an order from us, right? So currently we are having Ashadam sale, and it will go it will end by August 3rd, right? So utilize this opportunity. Every Saturday we showcase a set of sarees, and whichever you like, please take a screenshot and DMS. We will share all the details with you, okay? And if you like to book a video consultation, again DMS. And if you are in a Bangalore, we will get you 2 hours of delivery. And currently we are running Ashadam sale. Please grab this opportunity. Matte ee opportunity barodilla, and it is worth having these beautiful silk mark certified sarees into your cupboard, right, in your wardrobe collections. As you seen, silk mark certified with Mysore crepe silk sarees is available in Radhesiri, and it is like easy to drape, and the look that gives, right, e elegant look, e vibrant look is really rare. Whoever likes Mysore crepe silk sarees, you understand, and whoever wants to seeing for the first time, please try these sarees. These are like entirely different compared to the heavy sarees, right? So this is easy to drape, very soft saree, as you see, and the look that gives is entirely different, okay? So that's all we have for today that we wanted to showcase, and we will come this live. Thanks everyone for whoever is joined and whoever is like showcased DMs. We will post this video in our Insta feed also. Nimge yadadru saree ishta aitu andre take a screenshot and DMS, and definitely our team will get back to you, okay? Thank you.